Let's look at two major issues or challenges of using ChatGPT and other AI tool like Google Bard. Okay. Now, one of the common issue most people face while using ChatGPT is not how to use the platform. The platform is very simple. Okay, it's just very simple. The interface is simple, but the major challenge people have is how to give the right prompt. Prompt issue. People don't know how to give the right prompt. Understand that these AI tools work with command. You give them the command. Whatever you give them is what they will produce. The input determines the output. Okay, so many people don't know how to give the right prompt, the right command. If you want to get the best result from AI, then you must learn to give the right command, learn to give the right prompt. So many people find it difficult, and these prompts is all about your choice of word and how you structure it. So if you structure it wrongly, the answer may not be 100% correct. But if you structure it rightly, you will see that the answer will be very good and will save you so much time and energy and money. Okay, so prompt is a challenge. People find it difficult to understand how to give the right command because all these AI tools work with command. All right, but there is a solution, and the solution is that you can learn how to give the right prompt. Okay, and with the emergence of AI, there are prompt engineers. What does prompt engineers do? What they do is that they study these AI tools. Okay, they study different prompts and they understand how to give them command, the phrases, the right phrases you will use in order to give or get the right result from this AI. Okay, for example, if you are into project management, you are a business consultant, you are a blogger, you are an influencer, whatever you want to use the AI tool for. Okay, they have studied the right prompts, command, phrases that you can use in different sectors. Okay, and it will give you a better result. All right, so the prompt issue has been solved. All you need to do is to first of all embrace this AI tool. Know that they are there to help you. Okay, embrace them, get your account ready, sign up and walk through the platform. Okay, walk through the platform, start working with these AI tools, give your own prompt, give a command and see how the result comes out. Okay, if you are not satisfied with the answer, rephrase your command and see. So by the time you work with this AI tool, by the time you play around with it, give different prompts and different commands, and you see different results, you will master it. You will begin to understand the right phrases that you will use. Now, for example, as a blogger, if you are into blogging, okay, the phrases you use to get blog posts is different from someone who is into business consultancy. Okay, it's different from someone who is into health. Okay, so depending on the sector of life, on the sphere of life that you are into, your niche, your area of specialization, you just need to master how to interact with this AI so that you will get the desired result in that area of interest. Okay, so another way to overcome this challenge faster is by getting a prompt book or course. Okay, now there are prompt engineers that have studied different areas of interest and they have studied how to use AI to get the right command for these areas of life, and most of them have put together different prompts, different prompt command, prompt pattern, okay, that you can use to interact with AI tools depending on what you want, the result you want. So you can either get a course on prompt engineering or you can get their catalog of prompts. Okay, some of these prompt engineers, for example, under health, they will give you different catalog of prompts that you can use under health and get the best result. If you are into blogging, they will give you different kinds of prompts that you can use. So there are prompt banks. Okay, they give you their prompt banks, they give you their prompt vote, access to hundreds and thousands of prompts in different areas of life. Okay, sphere of life. So depending on what you want to use this AI tool for, you will definitely find a prompt. Okay, not just one prompt, list of prompts that you can work with in that area. So you can either get access to their prompt bank or prompt vote, or get a prompt engineering course and study how to create your own prompt, how to train your own AI to give you desired result. Now, by the time you use these prompts that have already been created over and over again, you will master how to give better prompts. All right. Now, another major challenge with AI is plagiarism issue, especially when you're working with ChatGPT, Google Bard, and other AI tools. Okay, there is an issue of plagiarism. Okay, copyright issues. So there are some contents that when you are working with them, especially if you're into academics, those that are into academic work, research work, blogging, writing, you need to be careful because these areas can flag your content as a plagiarized content. Okay, because these AI too, they source contents from everywhere possible, and some of these contents that they give you, the answers are accurate. Now you want to use these contents as your own, but because this AI to source them from contents that are copyrighted, when you use it as your own, it will be flagged. So this is one of the issues with using chat gpt and other AI tools, but there is a solution as well. And what is that solution? One of the solution is that, especially for those of you that are into written content, okay, when this AI tool gives you the content, don't just copy and paste. One of the best ways is to sit down, read through, and edit it. Let your voice be seen in that content. Every writer, every content creator, whatever you do that has to do with writing, you have a voice. Okay, are you a researcher? Are you a blogger? Are you a book writer? Are you an author? Are you an academician, a student? You have a voice. So instead of just doing copy and paste, let your voice be seen in that work that the AI has done for you. Just edit it, take your time and read through and edit some phrases, okay? Edit some sentences and make it sound unique. All right. So another way is that there are other AI tools that makes your content human. Okay, when you get this content, you go to these AI tools. This AI tool detector will check if it is AI written content, and they will tell you this content is AI written content, okay, or this content is human written content. So what you now do is that there are other tools that help you rewrite this content. Okay, they help you rewrite this content and make it safe from being plagiarized. Okay, so a combination of these AI tools that help you to rewrite this content and a combination of your own human editing ability, or you employ an editor, okay, to work on the content, will make that content look more original. Okay, it will become original. It will no longer face copywriting issue or plagiarism issue. So as this course goes on, in the process of this course, I'm going to show you some of the tools that you can use to detect AI content and also to turn those AI contents into original content, into human written content. Okay, in as much as big companies like Amazon, Google, and so many other tech firms have AI detectors that help them to detect such plagiarized work, there are other AI tools that help you to make your content original. And in the process of this course, you are going to discover these AI tools and how to use them. So far, these are the two major issues or challenges that most people have with AI, okay, with chat gpt, Google Bard, and other AI. But there is also a solution, as I have explained to you. So the challenge should not stop you from embracing AI. Okay, the challenge should not stop you from embracing AI, having at the back of your mind that there is a solution. Okay, so focus on the importance, the benefits of these AI tools, and the challenge will not be a problem to you.